Hi friends, Mrs. Wilcox here. I wanted to wish you a happy Friday and also a happy first day of May. And so today, some people consider as May Day, which is a holiday where people celebrate spring. And so I wanted to wish you a happy May Day and a happy May 1st. So we are now in a new month. We're in the last month that we go to school, and we only have 2.5 weeks left after today, my friends. That is not very long. It has flown by. So I hope you have a great day today. I hope you've had a great week. I'm going to switch my screen and show you what we're going to be learning. All right, here I am. Here we are on our Friday page. I got to this page by clicking on the Friday link on our step 1. You're going to watch my video that will be right here and then choose 3 or more of those activities that you'd like to do. Remember, my friends, our goal is to be working on school for 1 to 1.5 hours each day. So not super long. So if you're spending a long time on school, my friends, make sure that you're picking just a couple activities that you want to do, okay? All right, here is checking in with me at 11 a.m. We're going to be doing show and tell. If you'd like to come join that would be super fun. Otherwise, if you haven't checked in with me at all this week, please try to find one of these ways to do that today. I love to hear from you guys. I love to know that you're okay, and I love to see what you've been doing. All right, here's a reading activity you could do. After reading a picture book or a chapter from a book that you're already reading, you can write 3 to 6 or more sentences telling what was funny or sad in your story. So think about those characters in that story or that chapter and how their thoughts and feelings change throughout the story. All right, another reading and writing activity here is a story, and this story is all about perseverance. And so perseverance is sticking with something, continuing to do it even when it's challenging and hard. And so this is a great story for us to listen to, and also a really great message for us, because it's never a great idea for us to quit and give up on things, okay? So I want you to think about a time when you didn't give up, and then I want you to think about how that felt when you didn't give up and when you finally got that task mastered, when you finally got through and got everything done, okay? All right, math activities. Here are some games that you can click on and practice more of that telling time. So this is our last day on practicing to tell time. We're moving on to something new next week, and so click here to practice your skills. Telling time, my friends, is a really important skill that we use throughout our lives. I know Mrs. Wilcox uses telling time all the time, each and every day, to make sure I'm not late for my Zoom meetings, and to make sure that I email people on time, and I make sure lots of different things happen in my life. So telling time is really important. So make sure that you are working to master those skills, okay? All right, our healthy habits activity today is all about a balanced diet. The last 2 weeks we've been learning about those 5 food groups and why it's really important for us to get all of those different types of foods in our bodies each and every day. And so after you watch this video, I want to know, has learning about those food groups changed the way that you eat or that you think about food, okay? So just think about that for a second. Now that you know more about food and what it does for our bodies, have you started to eat differently? Maybe, maybe not. All right, and today for Friday, I have an art activity for you. I know when I've been going outside each and every day, I hear lots of birds and they're singing beautiful songs, and so I thought that it would be really fun for us to draw and paint a bluebird today. Last Friday, I sent home lots of your school supplies that were left over, and also some personal belongings, so I hope that you got those, and inside of there should have been your watercolor paints, okay? So pull those out, draw a beautiful bluebird, and then paint that and hang it up somewhere around your house. All right, friends, happy May 1st. Happy Friday. I hope you have a great day today, and then have an excellent weekend. I will be back to see you on Monday. Bye, friends.